Hey guys, me again, and I'm back with another room transformation. Now 2 years ago we tiled this bathroom, but we didn't do much to the vanity. We tried to paint it, but that paint job was really botched up. So now we're about to give this vanity the facelift it needs. After sanding it down, we decided to add some texture with these old placemats that we had. These placemats were pretty easy to work with. All we had to do was cut it down to size and then glue it onto the inner part of the shaker panel. We use construction adhesive for this, but I'm sure any glue you have will work. After evenly spreading the glue, I placed the mat down, and honestly guys, did it to all the panels, and I'm loving how this is looking so far. Time to add some paint, and yes, I'm using this green again, not only because I love it, but because Rory banned me from buying any more paint. So this will just have to do for now. After painting all the panels and the cabinet, Rory did his little magic and install it, put on the doors. We decided on the hardware. We also installed those, and bam, we have a brand new vanity. Stick around to hear all about the countertop.